Japanese scientists have recently devised a prototype to recognize people by their exhalations, exhaling breath. They claim that, like fingerprints or irises, exhalation varied from person to person and could be used as biometric data. To examine the substances in exhalation, the research team created an artificial nose. This artificial nose accurately distinguished up to 20 people at a rate of 97%. Based on the aforementioned facts, biometric technologies are replacing the existing identifications such as ID and password. Let's learn about biometric technologies today. Recognition of fingerprints and veins. With the risk of loss or theft, keys, passwords, and smart cards are still frequently used to enter buildings. Security has therefore evolved to make use of non-stealable personal characteristics. Fingerprints are different by person and have been used for identification for a long time. However, fingerprints can be eroded, and this is why other biometric technologies have emerged. Vein, blood vessels supplying blood to heart. Recognition uses the technology to apply infrared light to veins of palms or fingers. Infrared light penetrates into muscles or bone tissues and is absorbed by red blood cells. This is why it looks dim and dark. This technology is costly. Iris and retina recognition. Iris, a donut-like membrane around a pupil. Recognition technology also obtains unique information of an iris through the image, obtained through radiation of infrared light into the iris. An iris has a very unique form and can be good for identification. Even compared with many people, there is no sameness. Retina identification uses the unique characteristics in the blood vessels of a retina. Sometimes, there may be confusion in comparison with an iris. However, it is a totally different biometric technology. Facial recognition. Recently, facial recognition has been applied. This is to apply infrared light to a face to obtain facial information, which then becomes information again. In the past, you had to stop in front of a camera. But now, even when many people pass by, one person's face can be recognized. This is thanks to the computer vision technologies to find specific areas in a photograph, development to accurately find one person in an entire image. Even if you wear makeup, wear glasses, or are one of a twin, it can recognize you. Exhalation biometrics. As for the exhalation, exhaling breath, biometric technology, as a person exhales towards a hose inside a mass spectrometer, a device to analyze ingredients of a material. The breath is shot through electronic beams and disassembled into atoms or molecules. This is where a unique ingredient appears. The research team from Kyushu University developed an artificial nose with 16 sensors to analyze these unique ingredients. Like this, various biometric technologies are being made today.